All right, my side. So we're now at the historic Bagwalk train station, which must means it's time for our Fiwi Culture segment. Bruk Off Your Back was a massive hit for Konshens, to the point where Chris Brown got involved. Let's now get the backstory behind the track.
Yo, this is Konshens and reggae and dancehall music of Fiwi Culture. Hear that?
Bruk off your back, bruk off your back, bruk off your, bruk off your, bruk off your back.
At Birch, this seminar rhythm there, I did actually dip on tour. So we did have to wait for the entire tour done for me reach back to Jamaica and finally get a chance to go in the studio with it. Because the tour was very hectic. When we reach off a tour now, I finally sit in with the rhythm, I say, yeah, the rhythm is sick. You know, I would start vibing. The energy was just, at first it was a very explicit song. You know what I mean? It was a song where it wasn't talking about dancing, it was talking about sex. So after we do the raw version, me and Mark is in the studio alone and I say, yo, I ask him what the dancing, because I just come off a tour. I don't know which dance the girl am doing them thing there, you know. So him say, Bruk back or Bruk Off Your Back, you know what I mean? So we say alright, and through the song they done name Bruk Off Your Bleep. We just take out the bleep and put it in back and transform the song and get a little clean vibe, and that was it.
Know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come bruk off your back.
The recording process, my recording process crazy, you know. Sometimes it's very chill, sometimes it's very high energy and beer vibes and beer thing I go on. But that particular session, I just me and my dog Mark is there the day in the studio and we just have vibe, and you know what I mean, we just come from Europe and I never want to load up. So me there in a place and we just kind of lock off and I do some work, you know what I mean? So it was a very low-key vibe.
Place get wet like in a rain, and I make you feel high like on a plane.
Instantly the song sounded like a hit, but me not gonna lie to you, I never really feel the hit element tight until we do the clean version and I get back the mix and I say, yo, and Birch kill off the mix. So I know say, yeah man, this would be a vibe. This song, and just like most of my songs, them open crazy doors out in the world, because dancehall is bigger than Wagwana Jamaica. Wagwana Jamaica is very nice and it is the culture. It is, you know what I mean, the heartbeat and basically the first level. You know what I mean? But my song them out in the world are different thing. We have songs out in the world where not really play at Jamaica, and this song it was one of them where actually play in Jamaica and play out in the world too. So I would say right now it is my biggest song out in the world. Yeah, but it can go places where I go already and carry me there back as a bigger artist.
Bruk off your, bruk off your, bruk off your back. If you bruk off your back, bruk off your back.
Chris Brown got on the song when the song was actually redistributed by Empire Records. I know the CEO for Empire, Ghazi, and reach out to Chris Brown people and them send it back in them send it back quick, you know what I mean? I never charge a whole for money, them never, you know what I mean? It was just a good energy, and you know, so Chris Brown in tune to dancehall, I know I go on. So the song was already a hit song, and him just jump on the remix and mash it up.
You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in a me song. Plus you cooking while your mother give you make your body strong. Girl and
Pree Dis Massive, I hope you enjoyed the show. Big up on yourself. Until next week, I'm your host, Nalda Addy. Take care. Now at the Bagwalk train station. Come again. Say, let us know on all our... Come again. Kiel's Vinegar, what are you doing? Come again.